A century-old productivity hack, the Ivy Lee method. This method has been a cornerstone of effective time management and productivity for over 100 years. In the early 20th century, Charles M. Schwab, a titan of industry and the president of Bethlehem Steel Corporation, was searching for a way to boost his team's productivity. He sought the advice of Ivy Lee, a prominent efficiency expert of the time. Lee's solution was surprisingly simple, yet incredibly effective. He proposed a straightforward method that involved writing down the 6 most important tasks to be completed the next day, prioritizing them, and focusing on one task at a time until it was finished. This method, now known as the Ivy Lee method, has stood the test of time, proving its value for over a century. It has been adopted by countless professionals across various industries, from business executives to creative artists. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. The Ivy Lee method emphasizes clarity and focus, helping individuals cut through the noise and concentrate on what truly matters. The beauty of the Ivy Lee method lies in its straightforward approach to prioritizing tasks and maximizing output. By limiting the number of tasks and focusing on them one at a time, it reduces overwhelm and increases efficiency. It's a method that doesn't require complex tools or extensive training, making it accessible to anyone looking to improve their productivity. All you need is a pen, paper, and the discipline to follow through. Its timeless principles continue to empower individuals to achieve their goals with greater ease and effectiveness. The Ivy Lee method is built around a simple premise: focus on your most important tasks. This method, though simple, has been a game changer for many high achievers and professionals. At its core, it's a to-do list with a strategic approach. Unlike regular to-do lists, it emphasizes prioritization and focus, ensuring that you tackle the most impactful tasks first. Here's how it works. At the end of each workday, identify your 6 most important tasks for tomorrow. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for a productive day ahead. These aren't just any tasks, they should be the ones that will make the biggest impact on your goals. Think about what will drive your projects forward or what will bring you closer to your objectives. Once you have your 6 tasks, prioritize them in order of importance. This means ranking them from the most critical to the least, ensuring that you always know what to focus on next. The most crucial task goes at the top, making it your primary focus for the day, followed by the second most important, and so on. This clear hierarchy helps you avoid the trap of multitasking and keeps you on track. This ranking system ensures that you're always working on the most critical tasks first, maximizing your productivity and impact. By focusing on one task at a time, you can give it your full attention and complete it more efficiently. The simplicity of this method is part of its brilliance. It doesn't require any special tools or apps, just a notepad and a pen. It cuts through the noise and helps you laser focus on what truly matters. By eliminating distractions and honing in on your top priorities, you can achieve more in less time and with less stress. The Ivy Lee method might seem deceptively simple, but its effectiveness lies in its ability to address common productivity pitfalls. By limiting yourself to 6 tasks, you avoid the overwhelm of an endless to-do list. This constraint forces you to be more selective and strategic about what you choose to focus on. Prioritizing your tasks ensures that you're tackling the most impactful ones first. This prevents the tendency to procrastinate on important tasks while getting bogged down in less crucial ones. Starting your day with a clear plan eliminates decision fatigue. Instead of wasting mental energy deciding what to work on, you can dive right into your most important task. Implementing the Ivy Lee method is straightforward and can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Begin by choosing a time each day for planning. Ideally, this would be at the end of your workday, allowing you to transition smoothly into the next day. Next, select your 6 most important tasks for the following day. Remember, these tasks should be the ones that will move the needle most significantly on your goals. Write down each task on a separate line, starting with the most important at the top. This ranked list will serve as your roadmap for the next day, ensuring you stay focused on what matters most. Planning your next day, your evening ritual. Setting aside dedicated time each evening for planning is crucial for the Ivy Lee method's success. This ritual doesn't have to be lengthy. Even 15 minutes can be sufficient. The key is to make it a non-negotiable part of your workday wind-down routine. As you review your calendar and commitments for the next day, identify your 6 most important tasks. Consider your long-term goals and how these tasks contribute to them. The act of writing them down solidifies your commitment and sets the stage for a productive tomorrow. Tackling your top priority. The morning ritual. The Ivy Lee method encourages you to begin your day by tackling your top-ranked task first. Resist the urge to check emails or engage in other distractions. By dedicating your initial focus to your most important task, you set a productive tone for the day. This approach ensures that even if unexpected interruptions arise later in the day, you've already made significant progress on your most crucial task. It's a powerful way to combat procrastination and ensure that your most important work gets done. The power of single tasking is maintaining focus. The Ivy Lee method promotes single tasking, encouraging you to focus solely on one task at a time. In today's fast-paced world, multitasking might seem like the key to productivity, but research suggests otherwise. Our brains are not wired to handle multiple complex tasks simultaneously. When you attempt to multitask, you're essentially switching your attention back and forth between tasks, which reduces efficiency and increases errors. By focusing on one task at a time, you can bring your full attention and energy to it, leading to better quality work and a greater sense of accomplishment. And even with the best planning, unexpected events can derail your day. The Ivy Lee method provides a framework for handling these disruptions effectively. If a higher priority task emerges, simply add it to your list, reprioritizing your existing tasks accordingly. If you're unable to complete all 6 tasks on your list, don't be discouraged. Simply carry over the unfinished tasks to the next day's list. The key is to remain flexible and adapt the method to your changing circumstances while staying committed to the core principles of prioritization and focus. Making Ivy Lee work for you. While the Ivy Lee method provides a solid framework for productivity, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Feel free to adapt the method to your unique work style and preferences. For instance, you could adjust the number of tasks you choose each day, starting with a smaller number and gradually increasing it as you become more comfortable. You could also experiment with different times of day for planning and working on your tasks. The goal is to find a rhythm that complements your natural energy levels and work habits. Remember, the most effective productivity system is the one you'll actually use consistently. The real strength of the Ivy Lee method is its capacity to promote consistency and assist you in developing enduring habits. By incorporating this simple yet effective method into your daily routine, you're training yourself to prioritize, focus, and work efficiently. Over time, these actions become ingrained habits, leading to lasting improvements in your productivity and overall success. Consistency is key to making any positive change stick. Don't get discouraged if you have days when you stray from the method. The important thing is to acknowledge the lapse and recommit to the process the following day. Remember, small, consistent actions compound over time, leading to remarkable results. Master your day, master your life. The Ivy Lee method is more than just a productivity hack. It's a timeless strategy that has helped countless individuals transform their daily routines and achieve remarkable success. It's a philosophy for approaching your work and your life with intention and focus. By prioritizing your tasks and dedicating time to what truly matters, you can create a balanced and fulfilling life. By mastering your day, you gain a sense of control over your time and energy, freeing yourself to pursue your goals with greater clarity and purpose. This method encourages you to be proactive rather than reactive, allowing you to tackle challenges with confidence. As you experience the benefits of increased productivity and reduced stress, you'll find yourself with more time and mental bandwidth for the things that truly matter: your passions, relationships, and personal well-being. Imagine having the freedom to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Start small, be consistent, and watch as the Ivy Lee method empowers you to master your day and ultimately your life. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that lead to significant, lasting changes. Embrace this method and see how it can transform not just your productivity, but your overall sense of well-being and happiness. Thank you for watching.